Hi friends, Kurumzari. Today I am going to share a delightful breakfast recipe that can also be served as tiffin box snacks. A cheesy bite which is complemented by goodness of fresh vegetables. Yes, a sandwich with magic combo of cheese, palak and corn, and it is definitely here to stay this season as well. If you like this video and haven't clicked the button yet, please do consider subscribing this channel. It will motivate me a lot. So let's get started. First of all, let's make the vegetable cheese filling. In a preheated pan, I am going to melt 10 gram butter. Here I am using very less amount just for the sake of greasing the pan. That's it. Let's add 200 gram sweet corn kernels and saute it for 5 minutes at medium flame until it becomes little tender. Corn will take more time to cook, so tossing it before palak will be a great idea to have a uniform cooking. After about 5 minutes, let's check. It has now turned much softer, so moving on to our next step. Now I am going to add 300 gram finely chopped spinach or palak and saute it until it is wilted and started releasing water. Let's close the lid and cook while setting the induction stove at medium-high temperature. Let me check after 2-3 minutes. The vegetables have now become tender and palak's volume reduced to almost half. At this stage, let's lower the flame at medium-low and add 1 teaspoon minced garlic and half teaspoon chilli flakes. Let's go ahead and season it with salt and pepper as per taste. Let the spice and condiments mix well with the veggies and cook for another 2 minutes to infuse the flavors. When the sogginess is little dried up, I am going to add 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour for better binding and give it a good mix. It will be followed by pouring a 1/4 cup milk and stirring continuously. These two steps of adding maida and milk back to back is nothing but shortcut method of white sauce preparation. Let it simmer for another 2 minutes with its lid closed until the mixture thickens up. This time, the veggies are perfectly cooked. Overcooking will not only bring loss of palak's beautiful green color but nutritional value as well. So we are going to wind up our cooking very soon. But before that, let's season it with 1 tablespoon dry oregano. This is again totally optional. You can skip adding it. Now turn off the gas and let it cool down for a while. After the mixture has been cooled down, I am going to add 150 gram grated cheese to it. You can also use cheese spread, mozzarella cheese, cheese slice, or any type of cheese of your choice. I am going to give it a good mix. So friends, the list of ingredients are mentioned in the description box as well. You can check it out later. Another humble request is, please do subscribe the channel, and if you are new, please don't forget to click the bell icon. This way you will get notified every time my new videos comes up. It is done. Now it's time to assemble the sandwich. Here I am taking 4 slices of white sandwich bread of large size. If you want, you could even use brown or multigrain bread as well. Let's cut off the edges for a more cleaner look. You can skip this step as well if you wish. Now let's scoop out a generous amount of mixture and spread uniformly over the bread slice. We are done. Let's keep the other slice on top of the filling and spread butter over it nice and proper. Our next step is to grill the sandwich on a preheated grill pan at medium-high flame, upside down with buttered surface in contact with the pan. I am applying butter on the other side as well. Now I am going to flip it over to the other side. Grilling on both sides has been completed with perfection and our cheese palak corn sandwich is ready. One reminder is you can always toast the sandwich on normal tawa instead of grill pan. The choice is entirely yours. In both the cases, the taste will remain the same. So friends, I have managed to come up with 8 big size sandwiches. Again, that depends on the quantity of the fillings that you have taken per each sandwich. So, do try making this easy breakfast recipe at home. It tastes really awesome. I'm sure your kids will love it. That's all for today. Keep watching and stay connected, and please do subscribe the channel if you are new. See you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.